Guess we're gonna do another one just to show you guys. All right, guys, so we got an important package right here for the drift car.
This car with the H?
Yeah, this one. So currently we got stock control arm, stock angle, all that stuff.
It has a spider web.
Got a spider web, as Mia says. So these lower control arms, this is an S5 car. They're non-serviceable, so we can't really extend these out and give it more camber and expand the track width of the car. We're gonna open this box from FDF. They sent a lot of goodies for the drift car. All right, let me see.
I'll open it.
Let me get this side.
Oh.
Be careful. All right, open it. What's in there? All right, so we got this one right here.
Whoa, that looks like a hammer.
And then we have this one.
I can take these out.
No, don't throw them on the floor. It'll make a mess.
Oh, puppet. Didn't I play with it?
The plates.
No. Nothing.
Oh, one more thing. Oh, hardware.
There's one more. Let me feel some more.
It's for the rear of the bars. Ooh.
Ooh, more.
More. There's more stuff. These are tie rod ends.
That is all the way.
Ooh.
Okay,
The
now
tie rods.
Now let's count what's in the menu.
This whole kit is from FDF Race Shop. And it's going to give us, I believe the RX-7 FC has...
It says,
F.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
FDF, right?
FDF.
Yeah. So stock RX-7s have like around 20, 30 degrees of angle. This is going to give us 70 degrees angle. So it's going to be pretty much huge difference for drifting. So let me get one of these opened up and I'll show you guys the difference between these and the stock ones.
Dad, start.
Hold up.
Go.
Well, you got to point it to my face, right?
Oh.
All right. All right, guys. So super excited to announce that we're part of the FDF family now.
Wait, I need to do a new one.
All right, guys. Super excited to announce that we're part of the FDF family now. So we have their new kit. This is actually their one-piece lower control arm, different kit than the one that they had for the Mantis kit. So this is the Mega kit.
Dad.
Yes,
What's a Mantis kit?
It's an angle kit. It gives you all the angle.
Is it that?
Yeah, it is. We got everything laid out on this table right here. So we got the lower control arms. We have the knuckles, and these are for 350C bearings.
And we're keeping this because we need it.
Yeah, we need that. And these are the lower extensions, so that it goes on the lower control arm. So pretty much we can change these. It's got 2 positions.
And we got lots of cars to fix.
Yeah, lots of cars to fix. So these, we can change the position on how far out we want the tire. These are for the extensions for the tie rod ends. And we have the plates right here that allow caster adjustment. So these actually swivel side to side.
And you put it in the white car.
Yeah, and we're gonna put it in the white car.
Yeah.
So these are pretty much gonna replace the top camber plate on the coilover.
And these go.
And that's the hardware. We would definitely need that. Pretty much, we're gonna do a whole video of installing these. I have to go buy the 350C bearings, and then we just gotta put it all together, right, Mia?
Uh-huh.
Ordered the 350C bearing. So it's a whole hub. So the only thing that I have to do is bolt this on with the supplied hardware and put the RX-7 rotors on it and the RX-7 calipers. Can get the kit that doesn't have the 350C bearing, but this is just so much better. If you ever have any issues, this is something you can find at any parts store. Obviously, a lot of people run aggressive wheels. You know, you are the front end of the car is taking a lot of abuse when you go on and off the track. So having this be that easily serviceable, where all you have to do is buy this for $80 and you just take 4 bolts off, it makes it really, really serviceable. Next, I'll just put these together and we'll start installing them on the car. We're gonna start disassembling. We gotta take the tie rod ends out because it's got the new billet ones.
I forgot how to work on cars.
Taking a video, I'm waiting for him to take it out.
Oh, you didn't even tell me. You said you look like an idiot.
Why are we changing it?
Can't use it because it's S5.
Yeah, S5. So
Sorry.
you can't service this and you can't extend this for out, which is a mod you do. Nice mustache.
Trying to be like Adam LC.
Look how far out this thing sticks. All right, so we have the lower and the hub. We have to pop this out. And we have to replace it with this camber and caster plate that they supply. Pretty much just goes right there. And you tighten it back down. And this will give us all kinds of adjustments that we will need. We do need to change the wheel offset. Lots of angles. All the angles. All right, guys, so we're gonna continue buttoning up the RX-7. But I know we did the angle kit, tranny, twin disc, diff, all that stuff's on. It's still missing the axles, but I managed to get the stock FD power steering pump hooked up. And we use a Chase Base power steering line kit. So everything bolts on with banjo bolts, goes straight to the back. So we save ourselves a lot of headache with that. Pretty much gonna start buttoning up all this stuff. Little by little, we should have something going on. The coil should up. I have the bracket right here. We make and sell this coil bracket for FCs, FDs, and first gen. So if you guys need some of those, let us know. This car's coming out really, really nice. And it is kind of overkill. You know, this is a huge thing for people out there. Do not overbuild your car to start drifting. I do have a lot of money and parts into it, but a lot of this stuff is just stuff I had on the shelves. I am overbuilding it, but doesn't mean that you need to overbuild it. Technically, I am just starting into the drifting, but John's like been doing it for way longer than me. So he's gonna drive this car also. We're not doing no simple stock control arm stuff. We're doing a full-on car. So Brett laid the tape down, got the protractor out. Right now, lock to lock on this side, pretty much turning left. We have 60 degrees of angle. So 59.7. Kit does 70 degrees, but we have it adjusted right here on the bump stop, because the wheel, if we turned any more, the wheel's gonna hit. So the only way for me to go from 60 degrees to 70 is by getting an inch shorter inner barrel or running a spacer, right? Yeah. I can run a spacer and it'll bring the wheel out a little bit more out, and I can adjust this bump stop right here. That way the wheel doesn't rub. All right, guys, so let's pick up where we left off yesterday. We made a list and everything got done. Still need the brake booster, which hopefully that shows up today. If not, I'll have to take one out of my car. I have 4 other FCs at the house, but I'm just not trying to take them apart right now. Pretty insane being in here, building my own little drift car. Turbo Smart sent us their new Gen 5, right?
Yeah, it's Gen 5.
Yeah, so this is their Gen 5 wastegate. It's one of the last pieces we needed for the car. And they overnighted these. You know, now we just need Daniel to make some screamer pipes, finish the downpipe, and we can start this thing today.
That'd be sick.
All right, so this one will go here, probably angled like that. That one's gonna go right there. These, you can actually change the position of this right here. And wherever these fit best, you know, you don't have to compromise the position of the ports. It would actually turn the top. We haven't recorded much, but I think we got to a point where we can start it. All right, that was a successful first start. We tightened up the belt. I got a vacuum line on it. It was running super rich because I had no vacuum line, so we're gonna start it again. I guess now what's left is dyno time, so we're gonna put it on the dyno side. That's it for this video. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.